Hello everybody, and welcome to another vlog. Totally forgot to do an intro, but my name is Ronisha, and so today's vlog is us visiting Austin. We went on a little girls trip for our girl Marnie, who's leaving and moving from Texas, and so we decided to take a little trip that ended up being a girls trip to Austin. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Yes.
Okay. There's Marnie, Jira, Chantal, Kayla, Sierra, and Jared.
Hey!
We on some bikes and scooters.
Oh no! Well, I ain't gonna be that. That ain't gonna be me.
I'm so excited to make it.
There you go, girl. I got you. Y'all, we made it to the Capitol. The whole group went on a little bike and scooter riding, and we made it. Capitol. Everybody and their mama here. Everybody, their auntie, their grandmama, their mama, their cousins, their best friend. He's up in here. Oh, I thought he was a statue. Now, where are we headed? To the I Love You mural? I think we're headed to the I Love You mural, by the way, y'all. We just left the Capitol. Y'all know Capitol's gonna be happening, but also keep the nails. Get into the nails. Hey. Our next stop is the I Love You mural. Totally did not get a recording of the mural, but it just said I love you so much. I don't vegan, but look, that barbecue smells good. Y'all, first look at the mural. Second, we made it to Pint House Pizza. I think that's what it's called, but we made it to Pint House Pizza, and guess we're gonna see what they got. The rest of us already made it inside, but there you go. So after this clip, we ended up going to get me something to eat really quick, and then we met up with everybody else to go to Pennybacker Bridge, which you can see the view, so beautiful. My friends got this because I was still getting food when they went up there, but so beautiful. I think they meant this, and then that's the rest of the view, y'all.
Yeah, get a picture.
Oh girl, I can't get no picture, I got a video.
Video's
And then that's the other side, and then, oh, in the back. Now we're going to get ice cream. They're going to get ice cream because I got my desserts. Got my dessert.
driving up here.
Oh Lord.
I feel like in Colorado.
Where's can the trees stop being trees for a minute? Like, hello, I'm trying to get that little view. Yeah, you see that? I'm trying to get the view, but the trees is treeing right now. Like, get out of the way.
Can the trees not be
Look at that house. That house is nice though. I don't want your house though. I want the view that y'all got. Hey, do I get it? I got it.
I'm not gonna get it.
Oh God. I barely got it. I barely got it. It's sideways though.
Hey, these are some hills.
That's the only thing that I wouldn't like about living on a hill is the drive up and down. Like, it just takes too long to get to and from my house.
Oh, that's true. And then,
You know?
Kia Rio would not made it up.
I feel like I would have started stalling.
I would have rolled back.
Yeah.
Try to go up the hill.
Start making quick. My car, this is as far as you go. You can't say nothing about the hill.
Flat land.
It starts smoking because it's working too hard.
Now wait a minute, the car finna blow up at that rate. Lord, Jari got us over here leaning with it, rock with it, lean with it.
These curves are like, I see them coming and they're like deeper than what I thought. Let me slow down. I'm trying not to like some more.
I got it, girl. I'm ready. Okay, this is how they make the waffle bowls.
I enjoy, in our car, we were just asking questions
Mm-hmm.
and just chatting. I like that. It's real fun to listen to Sierra sing songs. Yeah. This is on my 30 list. I put girls trip.
Oh, okay. Check it off. Okay.
Remembers.
Who's next?
Remember, hey, come on. Hey.
Hey. Who's next? What is going on? Hey.
Wait, do it again.
Okay.
I didn't know your video was already playing. All right.
Why are you running? Sierra has been taken out. Jara forgot how to skip. I know. I wonder if I can do it. I can do it in flip flop. What does it say? Ellen, it's a video. I'm gonna. I thought it was a bug. Okay.
Oh, this is how we do it. Na 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 na. This is how we do it.
Marnie was excited to say, "See the box." I got that, by the way. I got all of that. Come on, sing it, girl.
I believe she can touch the sky.
Touch the sky, girl. Come on, Sierra.
She spreads her wings and flies to Alaska. I believe
You always remix his songs.
I see her running through that open door.
Which open door?
She's flying to Alaska.
Everybody listening. Woo, Sierra!
I'm 35 and going.
That y'all don't know the words, yes. Marnie! You cannot run away, Marnie. Now, all right, y'all. We leaving Austin, going back home. All this traffic, though, for the holiday. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, that's what the sky looks like. As you can see, it was thundering and raining and all of that stuff. Tune into the next one.